Hey everyone, Mr. Coleman here, and welcome back to the channel. This week, we're diving into a topic that I'm truly passionate about, the transformative power of renovation. We're talking about those fixer-upper properties, those overlooked gems, and turning them into profitable investments. In today's market, finding a diamond in the rough can be a complete game changer. While everyone else is fighting for those pristine, move-in ready homes, savvy investors like you and me are spotting opportunities in properties that need a little or a lot of TLC. This strategy allows you to purchase at a discount, add significant value through smart innovations, and ultimately reap substantial returns. So why fixer-uppers? Let's break it down. A lower purchase price. Properties needing repairs are priced below market value, giving you a lower entry point and a higher profit potential. Increased equity. Well-executed renovations dramatically increases a property's value, building equity fast. Customization. You get to tailor the property to your desired aesthetic and functionality, maximizing appeal to buyers or renters. Market demand. Current housing demand, renovated homes are hot, leading to quick sales and strong rental income. Now, how do you find these diamonds in the rough? There are several ways. There are foreclosures and short sales. These often need work and offer discounted prices. Just know that as attractive as these are, you really need to do your homework before you purchase a home in foreclosure or a short sale property. Real estate auctions. These can provide access to distressed properties, but remember to do your due diligence. Don't just show up at the courthouse steps and bid on a property that looks cheap without doing your homework prior to attending an auction. Networking. Connect with other agents, wholesalers, contractors for off-market deals. This requires a lot of homework. It's not easy, but you can find really solid properties this way. Driving for dollars. That's literally driving around neighborhoods, spotting neglected properties, finding the property's owners, and making an offer. Online platforms. Utilize platforms listing foreclosures and distressed properties. Real estate professionals, like me, let a good agent help you to find and negotiate deals with you. Once you've found your property, it's time to navigate the renovation process. This is where things get real. Here's what you need to do. Create a detailed budget. Accurately estimate cost, including materials, labor, and unexpected expenses. Now, I said unexpected expenses. That's the thing. You will budget in a 20% overage for those expenses that you're just not sure are going to come up. The thing is, they are going to come up, you just don't know which ones they are. Develop a scope of work. Define the specific renovations, prioritizing those with the highest return on investment, like investing money in your kitchens and your master bedroom, bathroom. Those are the key areas in a renovated home that brings in buyers and gets them to fall in love with your property. Hire reliable contractors. Vet your contractor thoroughly. Check references and get multiple quotes. And then trust but verify. A good contractor is worth his weight in gold, and he might just charge you his weight in gold. Secure necessary permits. Ensure compliance with local building codes by getting a permit before you perform your work. Focus on key areas. Kitchens and bathrooms are often the most impactful. Remembering the master bathroom is a standout feature in a home and can assist in a faster sale if done right. Don't over-improve. Be mindful of the neighborhood's market value and make budget-conscious decisions about your improvements, because you will be locked in by the neighborhood's ability to appraise, which could impact your ability to sell. So even if you found a buyer who's willing to pay over market value for your home, they may not be able to get a loan to pay over market value for your home. So stay mindful of the market value as you budget for expenses and renovations. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine you buy a distressed property for $150,000. You invest another $50,000 in renovations in the kitchen, bathrooms, floorings. The appraised value jumps to $250,000. So you've created another $50,000 in equity. Now some critical tips for success. Do thorough due diligence. Always inspect to identify potential issues. Have a contingency fund. Unexpected cost happens. Be prepared. Stay organized. Keep detailed records of expenses, contracts, and permits. Know your numbers. Understand your local market and the after repair value. Learn the local market. Knowing what buyers want is critical. Renovating fixer-uppers can be incredibly rewarding and profitable. By combining strategic purchasing and smart renovations, you can unlock the hidden potential of these properties and build a solid investment portfolio. Remember, it's all about finding those opportunities and having the vision to see what a property could be. Until next week, keep investing wisely. Thank you. Bye-bye.